Man, the way I made that crypto money, it was like I broke into a secret backdoor of the system or something. Totally next level. Felt like I uncovered some glitch in the matrix. You want to see how it all went down? Stick with me, cause I'm dropping every trick in the book. Not even gonna lie, I've thrown money at so many meme coins that went straight to zero. Wasted so much time and lost so many tokens. It's crazy. But once I stumbled on this one method and actually committed to doing it daily, my results flipped completely. I'm earning 10 times more than I ever did before. The secret? It's all about consistency, and I'm about to break down how the whole system works. Yo, listen up. I'm gonna lay out the full method in just a bit, but before we dive into all the good stuff, we need to talk about how we're actually gonna kick things off. If you're thinking of starting this on pump.fun, just know it's got a few major issues you gotta be ready for. That's one of the first big things we need to lock down before anything else. Fire up Photon and turn on the DEX filter for pump.fun. You'll start seeing fresh meme coins popping up nearly every single second. Most of them launch and then instantly tank hard. That's cause pump.fun makes it way too easy for anyone to spin up a token, so the whole site ends up flooded with low-quality projects. Now go check out the DEX filter on Radium. Look closely at what's happening. That steady token flow, totally intentional. Only about 1 token per minute shows up, which keeps things way more under control. You'll notice the liquidity is locked, charts are super steady, and trading volume is rising fast. It all works like this because only committed developers get approved. That's the whole point of using this path. Hang tight, I'm gonna break it all down. Alright, peep this. Launchtool is changing the rules completely. You don't need to be a coder, a dev, or even tech savvy at all to launch a token on Radium now. It's basically just a few clicks and done. Your token's out there. I've been riding this wave non-stop, and honestly, the profits I've been seeing are next level. So here's the deal. Canva is the tool we'll be using to whip up our logos. You can either follow what's hot at the moment, or just go with something that speaks to you visually. I came across a killer logo idea just scrolling through Google Images. Since The Last of Us Part 2 is trending again and the meme scene is blowing up, I'm choosing that as my theme. That's my direction for now. Okay, once you've got Canva running, toss your logo onto the project page and lock in the size at 128 by 128 pixels. If anything looks off, do a quick polish to clean it up. After that, just save your finished version. And that's it. Logo's complete, super quick and simple. Now, head back over to launchtool.io and link up your Phantom wallet, just like I'm showing you right here. When it asks for your token details, make sure you put The Last of Us coin as the name and TLOU as the symbol. You can add a description if you feel like it, but I'm skipping that part for now. Afterward, upload the killer logo you made on Canva and click Next to continue to the next step. Don't touch any numbers with decimals or crypto values you come across. Leave them exactly the way you found them. Once that's taken care of, click Next, and we can proceed. You'll need to drop 0.1 Solana to verify. Your call if that's a fair trade. I'm keeping my bag secure. No way I'm burning Solana on this. Just click Skip and save yourself the hassle. You can add your Telegram channel or Discord server for the social media links if you want. It's totally up to you. It's a nice touch, but not required since Radium will take care of all the connections automatically. Just click Skip, and let's move on. Alright, focus your attention right here. You cannot mess with these security settings. Final answer, no cap. You could potentially save 0.3 Solana by turning them off. But trust me on this, you'll definitely scare off potential investors. Any legit investor is going to check if freezing and minting are locked. If that's not the situation, you're basically telling them you're shady. My approach? Keep those settings turned on and smash that Launch My Token Now button. Hang on for just a bit. Okay, go ahead now and finalize that transaction in your wallet. Just a quick tap. Let it take a few seconds to sort things out, and then, success. Your token is officially active and ready for trading. After checking out the coin through that SolScan link, we can confirm it's been officially verified and is up and running without a single problem on the Solana blockchain. Now's the moment to get this token moving. Head back over to launchtool.io and click on the Create Liquidity Pool button. That'll send you straight to Radium, where we'll create the liquidity pool. Let's go for those big profits. Time to keep things rolling by making your meme token the focus. Head over to launchtool.io and grab the contract address, then copy-paste it into Radium. Input TLOU for the symbol and The Last of Us coin for the name. Then click Add User Token to finalize it. Next up, liquidity. If you've created 1 billion tokens, you should definitely add around 900 million to the liquidity pool. And as for the trading pair, Solana's got to be the one, since it's the network's main crypto. Super important. As you are indicating your Solana quantity, make sure you select the max option and then just reduce the resulting total by 0.2 Solana. That small portion of Solana is meant to cover the transaction costs and allow for a little flexibility. Establish the fee percentage at 2%. That number is deemed ideal for prompting investors to look into our token. Okay, this is the specific point we've been striving for. Proceed now and click that Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Your wallet is about to request authorization. This is the vital transaction, everyone. Simply approve the transaction that appears and success! Your token is officially listed and ready for trading. Launch Photon, set the filter to Radium, and keep an eye out. Your freshly launched MemeCoin should be right in front of you. Pretty obvious. Once you see it, you'll know it's officially active and ready to trade in the market. So now, head back over to launchtool.io and make absolutely sure you've got the precise address for your coin copied. Now make your way to Dex Screener, perform a search for any coin that happens to be listed, and then you can either substitute the address located in the website link with your coins. And just like that, your coins chart will be displayed, appearing flawless. Jumping into the market at this point means every move you make automatically brings in more cash with no effort. And since you're one of the first, the idea of losing money feels almost silly right now. Now, just relax and watch your investment shoot up. Look at the charts. Some buys and sells are already going down. This kind of fast action? It's probably just automated trading from bots. Not a big deal right now. The real moment we're watching for is when a whale steps in and makes a massive purchase. That's when we'll know things are getting real. Don't worry about it for now, though. This is just how it goes with these kinds of projects. Yo guys, there was a good buy for $60, about 0.4 Solana. It's been 6 minutes since we made the coin, and as we can see, liquidity and market cap are going up. That's a good sign to start, so let's just keep waiting. Okay everyone, as you can see right now, there was a large purchase of $133, equivalent to 0.89 Solana, in addition to other purchases and sales of the coin, which is completely normal, as you know. The liquidity and market cap numbers remain good, and it's only been 9 minutes since the coin was created. Let's wait a little longer. Yo, this looks way better. A $185 buy equivalent to 1.24 Solana completely sent the coin pumping. Liquidity and market cap are looking pretty solid just 12 minutes after the coin was made. But right now, it's time to pull our cash out. I'll show you how. Okay guys, step 1, link your creator wallet to Radium. Simple enough. Following that, click on Portfolio and navigate into that area. Select the standard option, and your coins should be visible immediately. If they aren't there instantly, no need to worry at all. Allow around 10 to 15 minutes, particularly if the liquidity was only just created. Once it is visible, press the small minus button to withdraw 100%. Pick Solana for the currency, approve the transaction, and just like that, you are good to go. You should be able to see it now. The confirmation message just came through, meaning your liquidity's back in your wallet. Now just head over to your wallet and check out the final numbers. I put in $160 and walked out with $483. Honestly, I didn't expect it to happen that fast. No joke. This strategy is seriously paying off. Given how the market's shaping up, now's the ideal time to get in if you're thinking about it. This method is really starting to gain momentum. The field is wide open right now, and if you pay attention, you could achieve great success. To clarify, this content is for educational purposes only. I'm not sponsored by Radium, Photon, or Launchtool. If you'd like more information or want to do your own research, check out the description and pinned comment. You'll find everything you need there.